Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So work out this purple area. Work out this purple area here. This line here is given by y equals 4 minus x. And this line here, the red line here, is given by this. And the blue line here is given by this. So work out this area here, this purple area. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, we're going to need this point and we're going to need this point. There are lots of ways of doing this. Let's just integrate it from 0 to what seems like a 1 here. It seems like this here is a 1. So we're going to need to integrate it from 0 to whatever this point here may be, and then the thickness of this let's say this rectangle here, the thickness of this rectangle here is dx. So this is going to be dx here. Okay, and well, what goes in here is really us getting the blue line, take away the red. It's really us getting the red line, taking away the blue line. This length here is given by the red line, take away the blue line. This length here is given by the red line, take away the blue line. So as we integrate from 0 to this point here, then this is going to be red, take away blue line, and then dx here, and then so in this region here, it will be the red line, take away the blue line. It will be the red line, take away the blue line. But then once you're in this region, wherever this point may be, it's going to be the green line, take away the blue line. It's going to be the green line, take away the blue line. It's going to be the green line, take away the blue line. So in this region here, it's going to be the integral from wherever this point may be, to wherever this point may be. And then it's going to be this, and then dx. And what goes in here is really the green line. It's really the green line taking away the blue line. So what goes in here is the green line taking away the blue line, the green line taking away the blue line, the green line take away the blue line, and so on. Well, we need to know this point, we need to know this point. So to locate this point here, to locate that point, set. So to locate this point here, set this line to equal. So at this point here, the red line will equal the green line. So set this to equal this, and then that would then set this to equal this. That will then take you to here, and then take away 2 from both sides. That will then take you to here. And when you're here, you can see that if you put 1 into the x, square root of 1 is 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. So you can see that here it is x. X does equal 1. Okay, so for this point here, set the blue line to equal the green line. So that would be x squared equals this thing here. So for us to locate this point here, we need to solve this. Use whichever method you want. For me, I use completing the square. So blah blah blah. That will then take you to here. So now we know we now know that the x value at this point here is hang on. Let me just move it across. We now know that the x value right here is roughly 1.56. So now integrate. So we are now going to integrate from like this. Okay, so the first part will be the integral from 0 to 1, and then it will be the red line take away the blue line. It will be red line take away the blue line, and then the thickness of this rectangle here is dx. So that will then take us to here. So this here will be the red line here, take away the blue line here. Okay, so looking at this, so hang on. The first step is to integrate it like this, from 0 to 1. So the first step is from 0 to 1, and this will be the red line, take away the blue line. Okay, and then we've got to add it to the integral of the second part, which will be from here. We're going to integrate it. So it will be red, green line, take away blue, green, take away blue, green, take away blue. So looking down here, it's green, take away blue. Okay, and then integrate it. It will then take you to here, and then integrate blah blah blah, blah blah blah, and it should give you roughly 2.92. When you get to this stage here, look back at your original graph and double check. So the area should be slightly under 3. Okay, so check. So if you look at this here, this has an area of 1. This has an area of 1. This here, well, let's just double check. If we were to move this into here, that would make it a 1. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, and then if you move this into here, it's roughly 3. It's roughly 3. So if you get an answer that's like 12.92, then you know there's something fishy going on, because looking back at the original graph, it should be roughly 3. It should be roughly 3, and our answer is roughly this. So it seems like a good indication that it's correct.